Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Ragi Puttu with three different tastes. One is made up of brown sugar, another one is made up of white sugar, and third one is Kara Puttu. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make and what are the ingredients needed. I have taken 2 cups of ragi flour, sugar, brown sugar, one small big onion finely chopped, curry leaves, chop it, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 2 green chilies chopped, jeera, asafoetida, salt, ghee, half grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of chana dal and cooking oil. So just sprinkle little water and mix it well. Don't pour 200 ml of water in one time itself. You have to sprinkle on and off water, mix the ragi flour. It should not come in a chapati consistency. It has to be semi-dry. The ragi flour I am using is grounded near to my mill. If you are able to grind, you can. Otherwise, you can get a branded packet from a shop. Ragi is called as kepe in Tamil, and English technically we can call it as finger millet. See, in a garden, if rain drizzles, how the mud will be, it should be in that type of consistency. When you hold this ragi flour in your hand, it has to be come in a form, and it has to come in this form. If it comes in this form, ragi flour is ready to steam. Boil water in idly vessel. On top of idly plate, wrap the wet cloth and spread ragi flour all over the idly plate. Close it with lid and steam for 10 minutes. Depending upon your size of vessel, you can even steam in 1 slot or 2 slot. So to prepare Kara Puttu, now on the stove heat the kadai, flat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, grease it, add jeera, allow to splutter, then add chopped green chilies, then grated ginger, sort it well till its raw smell goes. This grated ginger and green chili gives flavor to Kara Puttu. This Kara Puttu is generally a very good source of food for diabetes weight loss program. Add asafoetida, then add chana dal, cook it till the chana dal turns to brown in color. Just fry this in a medium flame itself, because the grated ginger and all is a very thin thing, then it may burn. Now add finely chopped onion. Either you can use small or big. Just sprinkle salt, mix it well. This Ragi Puttu is a very healthy evening snacks for all ages. Add chopped curry leaves, sort it well and turn off the fire. See, now 10 minutes is over. Remove the lid. See how beautifully ragi flour is cooked. So take out the plate as shown in the video. Remove the ragi flour from the cloth. See how beautifully it has come like a cake. See, with this itself you can eat with the channa gravy. Now I have taken 3 bowls. Divide this into 3 parts. One for white sugar puttu, one for brown sugar puttu, and one for kara puttu. Use ladle, it will be hot. So divide this in 3 bowls. Lot of Keralite people, they eat ragi puttu as morning breakfast with channa kadala curry. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee in each vessel. So in first bowl I am adding white sugar. Add white sugar half of that ragi's quantity. For the next one I am adding brown sugar. Brown sugar also half of ragi's quantity. Just sprinkle with coconut, grated coconut. Use your hands, mix it well. Since the puttu is hot, automatically brown sugar, white sugar, everything melts in that. So you can eat like this itself. Otherwise, you can take handful of ragi flour, grip it and make as a balls as shown in the video. Likewise, mix kara puttu also. Wash your hand and mix kara puttu. Channa dal, ginger, curry leaf, onion, everything gives taste to kara puttu. See, this is made out of a steamed ragi. Believe it is a very healthy and nutritional recipe. For 2 cups of ragi flour, you will get 15 puttus. Take handful of ragi flour, shape it like this. Likewise, do for other 2 puttus also.